So please tell me what happened to this one.
So my son, he was playing around and he just dropped it and he shattered the glass on the iPad and we haven't gotten around to fixing it, but here we are.
Okay, so let's replace that glass for you and makachoke.
Alright,
Thank
thank you.
So here is your new iPad with new screen, and there you go.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
It looks brand new again.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.